What is up, everyone? But welcome back to the eMoney channel. In today's video, we will be talking about why side hustles are important and why every successful person should have one. So stay tuned. All right, the first thing we're going to be talking about is diversifying your income. So when you work your 9-to-5 job, it may not be guaranteed that you keep that 9-to-5 job. So you want to have an emergency fund set to the side just in case you get laid off or there's not work in that industry, anything of that sort. Having a side gig in addition to your 9-to-5 job also allows you more flexibility in your financial life. You can do things like go on trips, explore your passions, and those are some of the things that we're going to get into later on into the video. But the main thing is people who are wealthy, they diversify their income to give them more time. At the end of the day, what you want is more time, because that's the one resource that you can never get back. Having a side hustle allows you to pursue your passions, and your passion can also be your side gig. For example, say you love creating music and you learn and teach yourself how to be like a studio producer. You go in, you make your own music, beats, all of that good stuff. That is a skill that you've developed through your side gig that you can now market to other people. One thing I also want you guys to remember is that your interest is also somebody else's interest. So don't be afraid to get into a side hustle in something that you actually enjoy doing. Those are actually the best types of things to do because it's easy for you to keep going and building. And when things get hard, you enjoy doing that thing. So you're more likely to keep at it, whether it's music or there's so many different things you can do. But having a side hustle that you're interested in helps a lot with staying consistent and motivation. Many people don't recognize this when they get into side hustles, but you're doing something outside of your normal 9-to-5 job. So that means you're going in and learning something new. And when you're learning new things, you're also developing skills. So you can take these skills and make money elsewhere, so you're not always relying upon this 9-to-5 job. It creates more financial security. When you all become financially secure, you can start moving into other ventures such as entrepreneurship. And this really opens up the opportunity to make money and makes you way less reliant upon your 9-to-5 job and your normal wages to supply your lifestyle. It may also change and increase the quality of your lifestyle. A very important thing that you guys want to make sure you do when you're establishing your side hustle and you start generating income from it is that you build yourself a safety net. A safety net is going to allow you to prepare for your financial future and to quit and be less reliant upon your 9-to-5 job. This can also help you prepare for unexpected expenses because you don't want to go into a job and exchange your time for money. Once you guys have created your safety net, you can now start pursuing your long-term goals. And this is going to open up so many opportunities. You're going to meet new people, you're going to make new connections, and it's going to take your life from where it's at, working at a 9-to-5 job, and it's going to progress you into another level where you're not relying on anyone to make your income and to live the life you want to live. I want to conclude this video by asking you, what steps are you going to take to reach your financial goals? Are you going to start your side hustle? Are you going to start researching and getting into new things, developing new skills? Are you going to go back to your 9-to-5 job where it's safe and secure and you may or may not get a pension? If you guys enjoyed the content, as always, please make sure you guys tell a friend to tell a friend by sharing the video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, turn on those post notifications. Feel free to check out some of the other videos that we have on the channel. They should pop up right about here. And I will see you guys in the next one.